Hi guys, it's Rebecca. It's been quite a while since I did a good video and posted. Rebecca Turner, Esoteric Creations. You can find me on Facebook. I had an event last night which was quite interesting, and I have found that most of my demo pours turn out amazing where I can't do anything at home. And I was fortunate enough last night that this one made it home. And even though it doesn't work out too well, I'm going to attempt to copy this on a larger canvas. This was originally a, let's see, I did a straight dirty pour, then I did tree ring pour, and then I swiped it and I grabbed the string, and I love the way that it turned out. So don't really know what I'm gonna do to the one that I have here. This is a 10 by 20. I already have it ready to go with my white and pouring medium. My white is house paint, and the name of it escapes me right this moment, with Floetrol and Elmer's glue all. I don't have a particular ratio. I just mix to the way I like it. Today I'm going to be using primary colors, which I still have mixed for my the class that I did on the 27th, which turned out really well. I was very proud of all the participants. I'm also, in my cup, I'm going to be using PB Blaster. Shout out to Rick for that one. And the way that I'm going to use it, I have my plastic bottle cut off. Found it in the car. And I'm just going to give one squirt into it. That's it. And of course, I'm going to put my white in my cup. I'm going to do this off screen. I have it in a huge gallon jug. So I'm going to put my white. I got a bunch of these 10 by 20s in, and I love them. This one had a tiny hole in it, so I thought I'd play with it. Not real happy about that, but something happened to it once it got home. I've used just quart jars to mix my paints. You can kind of hear. I listen to the consistency. That sounds crazy, but you can usually tell when you've been doing this for a while. I'm outside painting. There's cars passing. There'll probably be tree leaves falling, but it's just too nice to be inside. I'm going to start out with my red this time. I'm pouring to one side. It's running downhill, so it doesn't really matter. It's not level. I have this canvas on a piece of board. And let's see, do I want orange or purples? I think I'm going to go with the blue next, in hopes that I might get some purples, since I do want the flower look. I got way too much paint here, but trust me, I'll do something with it. And then I'm going to put the yellow in. Remember, the higher you pour, the more your colors mix. Alright, I'm going to have to be really super creative with this. I'm just going to pour this down the middle. And I'm going to have to add some white. I just went nuts with filling that cup up. We'll see what this does. At any rate, I'm going to pull through it, so it won't really matter. Then I'm going to tilt. You can see the cells forming without adding any heat. Okay. I think I'm just going to do like a spiral all the way down. That looks pretty cool though, like that. Okay. Oh, this cup is not good for this. It's kind of cool. Still haven't gotten to much white. Let's tilt this and see what happens. I may have just created a way of pouring that I really like, totally by accident. See how those little blobs are all coming out, but they have the same shape? I like that. I may not pull a string through this one. I should start out with, I have no idea what we're doing today, but let's see how it works out. And I'm gonna pull, stretch mine, or unstretch my cells, hopefully. And I turn it around. Touch up my corners here. Wow. You know what? I can pretty safely say I'm not going to pull a string through this one. So I'm going to leave that one as is, and I'll start another video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm going to try and get more decent videos done. Maybe we can all learn something. But like and subscribe, and visit us on acrylic paint pouring. We have a private group. It's all about learning and sharing. See ya.